Hi, I'm Kathy, and I'm the mother of 4 children. 3 things in my life that keep me youthful are my kids, number 1. Actually, number 2 and number 3. My kids, when I look at them and I just see the amount of energy that they have, it definitely makes me glow. I always thought that the wrinkles were the sign of getting older, but a few years ago I noticed my cheeks were starting to sag. They used to be full and lifted, and now they're sagging. What interested me the most in Juvederm Voluma XC was the idea of adding fullness to my cheeks. I'm so happy with the results. The reason I decided to do something about my aging cheeks was when I looked in the mirror, it just didn't match the way I felt. I felt much younger than I looked. I think my biggest fear of the Voluma treatment was the results looking natural. I didn't want to look fake or plasticky. After the Voluma treatment, the results are pretty dramatic. My cheeks look much fuller, but really natural. I would definitely consider using Voluma again.